I'm Beth Duchesne and I'm a rural business consultant for Leney, based in Bury St Edmunds in Suffolk. I am a farmer's daughter, so I've always worked and brought up on a farm, so you could say it was in my blood to a certain extent. But as I was growing up, I realised I wanted to be involved in the industry, but not necessarily driving a tractor all the time. So I was looking at other options within the industry and went to Harper Adams University to study agriculture with farm business management. And then once I graduated, I got my first job as a graduate consultant with a large firm based near Cambridge, and sort of developed from there, really. I was keen to be involved at CropTec and Careers Corner because I felt that there is still a little bit of stereotyping in the industry, and it's quite hard for women in agriculture to get more involved. And also, from growing up, I knew I wanted to be involved in agriculture, but it took me a while to realise what other options there were, and I wanted to sort of show everybody that actually there's so many other different options within the industry. Since I graduated and started working, I found a number of small courses and more other qualifications that's helped me in my career. Some of them being technical training days, and also 2 years ago I undertook basis crop protection qualification and exams, which was great, and that's then led me on to doing beta conservation management last year as well. I would like the take-home message from my element in CropTec and Careers Corner to be letting people know that actually the world is your oyster and there are so many opportunities out there. And yes, I'm an advocate that practical experience is key and really important in getting your role and understanding and being respected by people in the industry. But also good educational background is also becoming more and more important. As the industry is changing, we're going more technical, new policies, it's essential that you need that educational background and qualifications to help you get there. There's going to be more and more people interested in the industry, and to make yourself stand out, a good combination of practical skills and formal training is going to be essential going forward.